Hey guys, it's Rylan. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have to show you something. It's mine. It's pretty cool. I can show you right now. Ready, set, go. Bam. So what you're looking at right now is my dirt bike. This is a KTM 65cc. It's pretty awesome. It's a 2010, I believe. This thing's really fast. I love it. This is my dirt bike, and so that's pretty cool. All right, now I'm gonna start it, and I'll show you how it looks. So, now let me just start it. Hey guys, I'm on my dirt bike now. So now I'm just gonna start it and show you guys how it sounds, and yeah, cause it's pretty cool. So let me just start it.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, that was my dirt bike that you just saw. So yeah, I'm just gonna end off the video right here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that like button. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.